Yeah, I'm ready to. We're
We're
gonna.
gonna go ride this elevator. KSS 220 features.
Oh, cool sounding chime.
Okay, they put some money into their elevator since I was here last time. The lanterns didn't work.
Yeah.
I'll go this way. Let's get off.
Oh, someone's coming. Yeah, we'll get off. There were some broken escalators there. Just do that. I just had a small tuna sandwich at the McCarran Airport, so
It's time.
yeah. We're gonna go back down and then we'll just end it at one. It's just a basic Kone, really.
Yeah. Yeah, some of the lanterns didn't work last time I was here.
Really?
Yeah,
I see.
they got some maintenance since we were here.
Yeah.